every step I took in order to manifest $35,000 into my reality. Hello my powerful creators, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Candice if you're new here, and on this channel we talk about manifestation, the law of assumption, and personal development. And if you are a powerful creator, declare it right now by giving this video a big thumbs up. In today's video, I'm going to give you the exact steps what I did in order to manifest $35,000. It was one of the most incredible manifestations I've ever done, and it still blows my mind thinking about it. But I want to share my tips so that you can start manifesting big checks in your life. So this video will be more of like a story time, so let's get into this video. So in 2017, I was living in a really small studio. I was working extremely hard as an influencer because I had just taken a leap of faith to go into my influencer world as a blogger full-time on my own, not doing any side work. Before that, I was a nanny, I was working retail, I was doing all these side jobs, but I took a leap of faith and was like, I'm going to become a full-time influencer. I'm just gonna try it. And so 2017 was that year for me. While I was living there, I got a lot of junk mail. I don't know what you call them, but they're like bank services or whatever, and they tell you you can like get out this amount of loan. You can get $50,000 out with 0 interest or something. And they always have these like big checks in those mailers. So one day I was like, you know what? I'm gonna take one of these checks and I'm gonna put it on my wall. So in my apartment there, I had a whole wall full of my vision board. It was really massive. But I was living in a studio and I wanted to see my vision all the time because I knew I didn't want to live in a studio the rest of my life. And I needed a lot of inspiration because I was taking that leap of faith. I didn't know where money was gonna come from, but I just knew it was gonna come. So I took one of those mailers and it said $35,000. And so I just put it on my wall. I told myself, I know $35,000 is gonna come into my reality, but I'm just gonna put it on my wall and see what happens. So I put it on my wall, and every time I saw that check, I would just get really excited. I would act as if. So I would look at the check and be like, oh my gosh, I got $35,000. And I would also say, thank you universe, thank you God for my $35,000 check. So I would do this consistently, but I wasn't eager, if that makes sense. Like, I wasn't like, oh my gosh, where is it? Why isn't it here now? Like, oh my gosh, I don't think I can do it. I just let it go in a sense of I allowed the universe, I allowed God to work everything out, but I just acted as if I already got that $35,000. So it wasn't but 22 days later, and I remember that because 22 is one of my favorite numbers. So it was 22 days later and a brand emailed me, and this is a worldwide known brand. So I know all of my powerful creators and your parents and your friends, everybody knows this brand. Everyone in the world knows this brand. Anyway, so this brand emailed me and was like, we would love to work with you. We love your Instagram, we love your photos, we love what you do. So we want to see if you would like a phone call with us because we want to pitch an idea to you. We have a project coming up. We want you to be a part of it. So I'm like, I just look at that name of that brand and I'm like, oh my gosh. Okay, let's do it. So we get on a call and they pitch me this amazing idea to travel and to go on this amazing project for 4 days straight. And I'm like, yes, no matter what. I'm like, yes. And so they're like, our budget's $25,000. So I'm thinking, wow, $25,000, absolutely. I would love that. But I got on the phone with them and I knew this technique where you have to negotiate. So I got on the phone with them. I was like, let me talk to my people. I didn't have people, but I was like playing the game there. That's a little strategy thing. Anyway, so I was like, let me talk to some people and get back with you. They were like, absolutely. Again, we would love to work with you. You were like our favorite person. We really want you to do this project with us. So I give a few days. I actually call my mom, who's like the people, and my mom's like, you should negotiate $5,000 more than they're asking. So So I was like, are you sure? What if I lose it? My mom's like, no, girl, you're not gonna lose it. They absolutely want you. It sounds like they really want you. So the brand and I have a second meeting over the phone about 2 days or 3 days after our first call. So I was like, I would like to negotiate to $30,000, and I gave them my reasons and everything, and they were like, yes, that's perfect, but we actually want to give you $35,000. And Powerful Creators, my mouth dropped. I was like, wow, so they went from 25 to 35, and they really want me. This is divine, this is divine. And in that moment, I had totally forgot about my check on my wall. So I'm on the phone with them, and I'm like, totally excited, but you know what, I'm being professional. In the back of my mind, I'm like, I'm about to cry, like I'm so excited. This is a dream come true, really. So I end the call with them, and I go to my living room slash bedroom, which, because I was in the studio, and I get on my bed, I just sit on my bed, and I'm just like crazy in awe, and I'm saying, thank you, God, thank you, God, thank you so much. And I open my eyes, and the first thing I see is my $35,000 check. And I had that check with me. I found it, and this is the check. Here you go. This is the check I had on my wall. It's a little bent up, but $35,000. And the cool thing about these checks that I got, these like junk mails, they always said my name on them. So Candice, Nikeia, Weatherspoon, and $35,000. So I'm telling you, I manifested it. I manifested $35,000. I also manifested this amazing trip, because I always wanted to go on an amazing trip that was with a big brand. I used to say all the time when I was a nanny, I would say in this affirmation, I always work with big, well-known, worldwide known brands. And here I was living in that truth. I was living in my manifestation. So the best thing I did for myself was to not worry about how it was gonna work out or when it was gonna work out. I never asked. And I know we're guilty of that in other things, like where's our SP? Where's that job I asked for? Where's that house? You know, things like that. Or when is it happening? Because I've done it before too. But for some reason, this $35,000, I didn't ask. I didn't ask like when is it gonna come, or where is it, and why isn't it here? I never asked those questions, and I know that is why the check came so fast. It came so fast, 22 days. 22 days. So I'm telling you, Powerful Creators, whenever you're manifesting something, declare it. And also, like I declared it, declare it, and I put it on my wall. I love vision boards because they really make you visualize what you desire. So I put it on my wall, and I was thankful for this amount of money every single day. Every single day, every time I saw it, I said, thank you, universe, and I would jump up and down. I would get so excited. I would say, oh my gosh, I got the $35,000. But the best thing I did was I didn't worry about when it was coming. I didn't worry about why it wasn't here yet. And I didn't worry about how it was gonna come into my life. I just knew, I declared it. So I want you, Powerful Creators, whatever you desire, find a photo of it, find an image of it, and place it on your wall. See it all the time. Now, if you like want to get married and stuff, I really recommend, you know, photoshopping your face in there. Because you want to see yourself getting married. You want to see yourself traveling the world or graduating college, you know, or, you know, getting that dream job. Put the name of the brand up there. Now, this is one big check I've manifested, but this is one of many. So I want you to know that this technique of just declaring it, getting excited about it, getting thankful and grateful about it as if it's already in your life, will bring it into your life very fast. And I want you to know that, Powerful Creators, Get excited about your manifestation now. Even before you see it in the palm of your hands. Get excited about it now. But don't worry about when, where, and why. Don't worry about those things. Let the universe handle that. You know what? Your stress is about it will be let go because you're not worried about when, where, and why. Those bring stress and they bring detachment from what you desire because you're building resistance. So when you declare what you want and you're already thankful and grateful and happy and excited about it as if it's already in your life, the universe is like, woo, look at my powerful creator. I better get things going because they are already excited about it. So I better work it out for them. That's how the universe works. So I want you to write in the comments, everything is working out for me. Everything is working out for me. Everything is working out for me. Because when you start thinking about the when, where's, and why, say that to yourself. Everything is working out for me. Everything is working out in my favor. Life is great. I'm so grateful. So grateful everything is working out for me. And that is how you will manifest things very fast in your life. Hey powerful creators, so I'm in bed editing the video, but I also wanted to let you know that I created a check for you that you can print out and write out and put on your wall. All you have to do to find this check is to go to my website and print it all out. Thank you powerful creators for watching today's video. Be inspired, be uplifted, and I'm so thankful for each and every one of you for watching my videos, for interacting. It means a lot, and I cannot believe we're at 13,000 powerful creators. I feel like I just announced that we were at 1,000. So this is a manifestation. This is a manifestation come true. So I really appreciate y'all. And the powerful creator of this video is ILY Jessica. I love you, Jessica. Jessica, thank you so much for being a part of the Powerful Creators community. I truly appreciate your love and support. If you would like a shout out in my next video, all you have to do is hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification button, and hit that like button, and comment the secret word below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram for daily affirmations. And if you like this video, you like my next video on how to manifest money. I give you step-by-step instructions in that video, so go watch it right now. Powerful creators, thank you again for watching, and I hope you have the most beautiful, loving day. I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye!